abiding by our motto of fostering the spirit of excellence. We recognize the immense contributions and achievements of our students over the years. I now call upon Ms. Pranjal Joshi, Assistant Creative Director, to announce the much-awaited Special Award.
I take this window of opportunity to highlight and eulogize our outgoing batch for their outstanding contributions. They are the exemplary troopers of Navrachna who have risen to every occasion and have taken on the mantle of responsibility with unwavering dedication and fortitude. I request our chief guest, Mr. Samir Khera, Managing Director, C Linkages and Eclipse Global Private Limited, to give away the awards. So everyone, make some noise for the recipients of special awards. The Extra Minor Award goes to Shivang Kakkar. This ex-study student is persistent and relentless, the one who always goes beyond the call of duty with his Disney energy. This show stealer has year after year enthralled the audiences with his mesmeric performances at several concerts. He wears his passion on his sleeves and with his invincible will has proved his mettle on numerous competitive platforms. We applaud your consistent and extraordinary contribution to the institution over the years, Shivang. The Principal's Award for Leadership and Conduct, recognizing the student's excellence as a leader who embodies the ideals expressed in Navrachna's mission. This year's proud recipients are Virat Shah, who lauded the topper of Commerce Stream for his proactive approach and willingness to shoulder responsibility. His participation in countless MUNs has given him an edge over the others. This national level debater will soon be representing India in the world final of International Economics Olympiad hosted by University of Latvia. This versatile former president of Student Council has accomplished every task with a signature victory stroke. May success crown your every passionate endeavor. Viraj, we're super proud of you. Next comes Quahish Agarwal. While personifies passion and leads by example, a commendable rapport with students and teachers alike, her feisty debating skills leading TEDx student talks, her remarkable work as a student coordinator RISE 2020 and running out of breath still, helping the Climate Action Project, flexing her talent muscles at several competitions, landing a karate chop like a seasoned athlete. The list of her achievements is non-exhaustive. Quaish, you truly are a unicorn woman walking amongst us. An artist's passion has transformative powers to make the world a utopian sanctuary. Echoing these sentiments, I proudly announce the Artist of the Year. For visual arts, it's none other than our effervescent Khushi Purohit, who with her ninja-like focus and precision towards the craft has brought laurels to the school. Her latest feat, securing All India rank #1 in the NID main entrance. Khushi, here is to painting your aspiration canvas with all the myriad hues of your artistic prowess. Give it up for our topper of humanities stream, Khushi Purohit. Artist of the Year, Performing Arts is Kavya Limaye. She's a defining force in the field of music. The songstress is the most sought after young talent. From being the pride of the school choir to being touted as the voice of India, she exhibits a vast spectrum of talents. Her humility and zealous disposition are praiseworthy. Give it up for our singing sensation, Kavya Limaye. It is said that a good heart and a good head are formidable combinations. Chaitanya, I think, seems to get the combination perfectly wrong. Yes, the heart of gold award goes to Chaitanya Rashid. This giving enthusiast and right mental health hero is empathetic, considerate, observant, and rooted in values. As head event management, he has successfully helped RISE, Project Upskill to Upcycle, NavFest, and many more. His unmatched tenacity makes him a cut above the rest. Thank you, Chaitanya, for being the sounding board and the go-to person for all the students. The Young Genius Award. Give it up, children, for Anup Sasway, a master aficionado with also adept at solving puzzles and great results in record time. So your both are very of achievements. NPSC scholar, has cleared the prestigious Indian National Mathematical Olympiad for 3 is the topper of the science stream and the topper of the school. Anushka, may the odds be ever in your favor. The special 100% attendance award goes to Arzan Engineer. He has received this award for the 9th consecutive years. That's quite a feat. A shout out to Arzan for setting such a precedent. His teachers will vouch for this, that reliable and trustworthy are his middle names. Arzan, you're indeed the pulse of Navrajna. Let's give a round of applause to Arzan. I now request our chief guest, Mr. Samir Khera, to address the students with his insightful words.
Good afternoon, everyone. Mrs. Menon asked me a couple of days ago to come for the occasion and motivate the students. I think at the first stage, let me just say that I think we look, at my stage, I look for motivation amongst people like young students like you. I don't think I have anything to say which can take you any further. I asked my daughters, both are in college, as to what I should say. They said, just keep it short. The kids are there to have fun. So I promise it's going to be very short. It's been a challenging year. I empathize with the students, as my daughter said, we've lost our youth these last 18 months, and I completely empathize with the students. But at the same stage, I would also like to say, I think the credit to the school and the teaching staff for managing these past 18 months, I think has been extremely challenging, and I think a big round of applause is due. There are many challenges which you will face. I think this is probably the biggest challenge you've seen so far, this whole COVID scenario that we are going through rather. Challenges are nothing but opportunities. I think that's what you need to understand going forward. There will be more challenges. Look for the opportunities which can take you through them and make you succeed. If I have, what I tell my daughters, I tell you, all of you are change agents. It's your duty. You have been blessed with education, with resources. It's a trust which has been embedded in you, and it's up to you to change whatever little you can in the period that you go forward. It's time to follow your dreams, to live your dreams. And along with that, if you can make a few dreams come true of people who are along with you, somebody who are not as privileged as you, I think you can consider that to be a life well lived. We saw the Blue Origin and we're talking about space, the rate at which technology is changing. I'm not sure how many of you saw that something on YouTube, where Jeff Bezos 20 years ago was giving an interview where he spoke about going to space and everybody was laughing. And sure enough, he was there last week. The rate at which technology is changing is extremely fast. I think you are privileged to be part of this era where you can contribute to that change. Make sure that change is contributing to a better world. I think there are many challenges. There is climate change, we all know that. I'm pretty sure there will be another pandemic in your lifetime, maybe not in ours. How to deal with that, maybe preempt it, that's obviously the goal. But yes, change. I think ultimately work towards changing what you can to make this world a better place than what you found it in. I think like I told my daughters, I won't keep it too long. So the space is your oyster, right? So go forth and explore and take as many people as you can. All the best.
Thank you, sir, for your thought-provoking and inspiring speech. We are truly motivated by your words and wish many of us could emulate you. I request Executive Chairperson, Ms. Tejan Amin, to present a token of our love and gratitude to our Chief Guest, Mr. Samir Khera. sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Sanyam, Sankalp and Sahas are the most essential attributes for us to adhere to in life. Our next presentation depicts similar emotions with a call. Ahvan, time to wake up, take charge and move on. Written by the renowned lyricist Sri Yogesh and composed by one of the all-time great musician Sri Salil Chaudhary. Ladies and gentlemen, the students from grade 9 to 12 present before you Ahvan Geet.
दोस्तों, संयम है तो संकल्प है, संकल्प है तो साहस है, और यदि तीनों आपके पास हैं, तो लक्ष्य आपके हाथ है। तो प्रस्तुत है वो गीत जो आपसे कुछ कहता है, कुछ चाहता है आपके लिए।
valedictorian speech.
This indeed has been a wonderful morning. Happy graduation day to the batch of 2020 and 2022. It is my honor to be here and to be speaking the truth. I have been waiting to give this speech since 5 years, as I remember my brother had given one. It was actually day before yesterday that I realized it's not actually that easy. To suffice everything that I felt being in this school since I was in second grade, it's tough to pen that down. But I remember this. All year we have said to ourselves that we are quite the unfortunate batch. We didn't have an annual function. We didn't celebrate the glories of winning on sports day, a stunning Teachers' Day celebration, and many other fun events due to the times we are in. But the one thing I learned most in the last year is to celebrate the little things, to find value in the little things. And I celebrated the fact that we received endless love and loads of enthusiasm each and every day from our beloved teachers. Their constant support, their chalo yaar ho jayega wala attitude, their happy and cheerful faces, and making us study with the same energy for the entire year and a half. It's actually unimaginable how you guys pulled that off. There cannot be any better celebration than that, and that fact itself makes us the most fortunate batch ever. I just cannot put into words how grateful we are to you teachers. You teachers are the real unsung heroes. Thank you. Among them, another hero who could not be with us here but deserves a special mention. Late Mrs. Raksha Sisodia ma'am. Ma'am, your life lessons are always and forever will be etched in our hearts, and you will always be here with us. The whole Navratna fraternity thanks you for your unforgettable and innumerable teachings. Lastly, I'd like to give a special thanks to all my friends sitting here today. I wish you all loads of success. May you achieve everything that you have aimed for. A quick thank you to the cool dudes of Navratna, the sports department, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, how can we forget the contribution of the performing arts department, ladies and gentlemen. They deserve a huge round of applause. The ever so kind kitchen staff and all the helpers, your relentless efforts towards the betterment of the school is truly priceless. I still remember failing my first ever test in second grade and even more frightened to give the next one. And yes, my mother still doesn't know this fact. Well, who knew I won't face the same problem in 12th. Hashtag fortunate batch reason number 2. We surely have come a really long way from that. Yes, we do have many things to blame about this year. But I'd like to end this speech with this amazing quote. To take no note of time, but by its benefits. To watch only for the smiles and neglect the frowns of fate. To compose our lives of bright and gentle moments, turning away to the sunny side of things and letting the rest slip from our imaginations, unheeded or forgotten. Signing off for the last time, Arya Desai, Head Boy, Navratna, Batch 2020-21. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Thank you.
Thank you, Arya. May you fare well in our career and accomplish all your dreams. Small lights have a way of being seen in a dark world. The lit candle signifies the blazing desire to conquer the world. Let this flame illuminate your path to your bright future and enable you to face the new world with zeal, courage and vigor. May I request our chief guest, Mr. Sameer Khera, our chairperson, Ms. Tejal Amin, and our principal, Ms. Suprabha Menon, to bless the outgoing batch of 2020-21. May I also request our vice principal, Ms. Kashmira Jaiswal, coordinator Higher Secondary 2020-21, Ms. Bindu Matthews, and our coordinator of Secondary State, Ms. Anagha Mudeshwar, to bless the students. Thank you everyone. May I request our coordinator, Higher Secondary 2020-21, Ms. Bindu Matthews, to lead the students in a prayer.
May I request the students of the outgoing batch to repeat the prayer after me. In the name of the best within me, I will not sacrifice this world. To those who are at their worst. In the name of the values. That keep me alive. I will not let my vision be distorted. I will not lose my knowledge. And my mind. And will boldly take a step. That travels unlimited roads. I will not let my fire go out. And the hero in my soul perish. I will make my road. And face the challenges of life. The world I desire. Can be won. For it exists. It is real. It is possible. And it is mine. I wish you great success in all your future endeavors, where you stay forever young with sunshine on your shoulders. May the force be with you always. Wish you all the best, children.
Thank you, ma'am. I request the outgoing batch of 2021 to be seated. I now request our Vice Principal, Ms. Kashmira Jaiswal, to come up on the podium for a segment celebrating the Student Council 2020-21.
Thank you, Pratham. A very good afternoon to our esteemed guest, Mr. Samir Khera, Tejal ma'am, Suprabha ma'am, dear invited guests, Dr. Ajwani, Mrs. Sonali Desai, members from PTA Nexa, dear coordinators, teachers, and the most special guests, I will call them guests today, my batch of 2020, going on till 21, okay? So, this year has been kind of infamous now. Seated in front of me is a unique batch of students with an equally unique student council. Here's the thing, the pessimist complains about the wind, the optimist expects it to change, but the leader adjusts the sail and propels on, no matter what. So today, I represent the Navratna fraternity to applaud the outgoing council for all the good work done by them in the most unprecedented time of their high school life. I call upon the president of the student council, Viraj Shah, who has done the school proud by representing India at the University of Latvia, at all the Olympiads that he's gone to. Viraj leads from the front. He's an ardent debater, mother, cricket fan, political geek, nerd if I may call you, a stock market fan, and a multifaceted personality. Kudos to Viraj Shah, ladies and gentlemen. Head boy Aryan Desai, please come up. Truly, head boy is what do I say? The stage remembers you. The stage, Jyoti Brown stage, remembers Aryan Desai as the lead. INC concert, INC, the street plays, all of them will not be the same without you, Aryan. An actor, a sports enthusiast, a CrossFit exponent, and an ace host for many Navratna events. Aryan has been leading from the front. Give it up! Head girl, Khushi Purohit, please come up. Relentless is the word I would say for her. ACPNIT mains, prelims and mains was no mean feat, Khushi, and you have set high benchmarks for the Navratnites. And Khushi goes on to win all the competitions quite Khushi, and she doesn't even, doesn't even turn her hair for it. So a champion of climate change She has always led by example. Over to Khushi. Huge round of applause. Sports Captain Dhruv Thakkar, please come up. Sports Captain Dhruv Thakkar is a leader, a scholar, and athlete par excellence. Besides the Best Athlete Award, he has won medals galore. He aces cricket, football, volleyball. Was the captain of the cricket house team for 7 years? 7 consecutive years. The proud recipient of many international awards and commendations. Sports Captain Dhruv for you. Girls and boys, give it up. I call upon Sports Captain Nidhi Patankar, committed to doing her work ethically. Nidhi Patankar is the star athlete and is rightly termed as the PT Usha of Navratna, bagging numerous coveted awards. She's been the gold medalist at Mahakumbh in athletes and a cycling champ, having a high sense of responsibility and a strong sense of direction. Nidhi has the ability to think quickly even under pressure. That's Nidhi Patankar for you. I call upon Council President Devansh Agrawal, passionate about music and football. Devansh even created a TED talk on the interrelation between math and music. Not only did he co-head RISE event, Devansh was a part of the music band and he played cajon. With the ambition of becoming an entrepreneur, Devansh is the kind of leader who's willing to go out of his way to serve those in need. Give it up for Devansh Agrawal. Coming upon Country President Khwahish Agrawal, leading RISE, TED, CAP, Tech for Good and many other events in the school. Khwahish Agrawal has proved that you don't need to be a leader, not the one to get bogged down by adversity. She can juggle multiple responsibilities with panache. Being a state-level karate champion, you've seen her chops on the screen, a certified Red Cross member, I'm scared of her chops though, and an athlete and a choreographer, an ace debater. Khwahish raises the bar way, way up. Give it up for Khwahish Agrawal. May I call Head Community Outreach Kanhai Parikh. Kanhai is an erudite scholar, a dramatist, a debater, and an avid reader. He exhibits command on matters of current affairs. His victories at MUN's debates and his organizational skills at RISE have managed to set new benchmarks for the council to follow. Give it up for Kanhai Parikh, please. I call upon Head Community Outreach Nancy Gonjani. Nancy is a student leader who believes whatever goal has been set can be accomplished, even if it may seem insurmountable. Her confidence inspires positivity in others and a belief in themselves. She was an active member of the core team of both RISE 19 and 20. Always multitasking, yet appearing as cool as cucumber, Nancy balances her extracurricular with academics brilliantly. Give it up for Nancy Gonjani. Head IT and Innovations. May I call upon Head IT and Innovations, Anuj Menon. Anuj's heart is steeled in passion for everything that is IT and everything that is tech. Having initiated the design of the RISE platform and having given us the famous RISE Phoenix, Anuj is endowed with a witty sense of humor and a passion for design. He has participated in India Film Project Design Challenge, Confest, and has steadfastly lent a helping hand in all of Navratna school events. Please give it up for Anuj Menon. May I call upon Student Councillor Himakshi Tiwari, a person always doing his or her best becomes a natural leader just by example, and Himakshi's leadership style is just like that. Chubby and cheerful Himakshi has continuously and relentlessly worked on shaping her personality and has evolved into a strong leader. Himakshi is a Visharad in Qatar and has represented the school in climate action, RISE, CAP, Tech for Good, and all national, international, intra-school and inter-school events. Give it up for Himashi Kedari. May I call upon Student Councillor Vedant Galkarikar. Student Councillor Vedant Galkarikar believes that when in doubt, lead with a joke. And that your sense of humor is a muscle. It gets stronger when you most use it. Vedant personifies that the year of the leader must ring with the voices of the people. He has discharged his duties with an easy smile and a friendly demeanor. Please give it up for Vedant Galkarikar. May I call upon CBSE Student Coordinator Kritik Vakil. An all-rounder is the word that best suits Kritik Vakil, who is also an actor par excellence. He played Mufasa to the T in The Lion King. His victories at debates, Olympiads, inter-school quizzes, business plan competitions have a great story to tell. His polite and quiet demeanor is just a facade, mind you, because inside is a dynamite who sets the stage to fire. Give it up for Kritik Vakil. May I call CBSE Student Coordinator Kavya Limai up front. Music being her soul food, this child prodigy, our own rock star singer, Kavya is an example of a diligent student leader, a multitasker. She can meticulously fine-tune between academics and her passion for music, and has amazed the world with her dazzling performances. Kavya has already carved a niche for herself in the world of music, and she leads by example of dedication and perseverance. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, give it up for Kavya! At the cost of repeating and saying my dynamic young leaders, please remember, titles don't make you a leader. Your impact does. And continue to leave your impact on the sands of time so that your imprint becomes a masterpiece. Sayonara, God bless you. Please stay on for a moment. May I request Mr. Samir Khera to please give away the leadership certificates to this excellent team of Student Council. President Virat Shah. Give it up, आइए तो नहीं रुकनी चाहिए। एक और आइए निकाय। एक खुशी पुरोहित। Sports Captain Dhruv Thakur. Sports Captain girl, Dhruv Thakur for you. Nidhi Patakar. Sports Captain Nidhi Patakar. Give it up, come on. Sports Captain boy, Dhruv Thakur for you. Cultural President Devansh Agrawal. Give it up for Devansh. Cultural President Wahish Agrawal. Give it up for Wahish. And Head Community Outreach Kanai Parekh. Head Community Outreach Nancy Banjare. Head IT and Innovations Anuj Menon. Student Councillor Himakshi Tiwari. Student Councillor Vedant Galkarikar. काउंसिल को विदा करते हैं और तालियों के साथ सुप्रभा मैम को बुलाते हैं।
I am taking a moment to join all of you in bidding adieu today to a remarkable person, a celebrated teacher and an inspiration to many, Bindu Matthews ma'am. Retires today after 32 glorious years of service to Navratna School Sama. And you are very fortunate. You are the last of the many, many batches that she has taught. Like I said, a remarkable individual, a great teacher. She leaves behind an indelible mark on Navratna School Sama. For us, the teachers, it's a very, very emotional moment because there is a lot we have learned from her and we are going to miss her tremendously. But we wish her all the very best in this new phase of her life.
Thank you, ma'am, for nurturing, guiding, and motivating us wholeheartedly and devotedly for 32 long years. May the road rise up to meet you. May the wind be ever at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face and the rain fall softly on your hands. And until we meet again, may God hold you in the hollow of His hand. I now call upon the newly elected head boy, Arjun Rathi, to propose the vote of thanks.
On behalf of the Navratna fraternity, it gives me immense pleasure to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Mr. Sameer Khera, for sparing his valuable time to be a part of the valedictory function. We would also like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our executive chairperson, Ms. Teja Ravi, for inspiring and guiding us in all our endeavors. We are grateful to the management for their constant support and direction. Our heartfelt gratitude to the executive committee of NES. We thank Navratna Vidyani Vidyalaya for providing technical aid. We also thank the Navratna School Sama PTA for their wholehearted support and involvement with the school. We appreciate the parents for being our pillars of support. Last but not the least, a big thank you to our Alumni Association, NEXA. I now request everyone to rise for the school song.